All right, guys, I think we're live now. All right, guys, so the market opened already. Oh, by the way, I'm meaning to buy the NASDAQ, but the gap is quite big now. So let me potentially wait a little bit and see. I think from where we are right now, the NASDAQ can actually it potentially can buy. It can buy from where it is now before it's continue going to the upside. Let's see. Yeah, I'm expecting a buy continuation. Let me see from where we are. So the analysis actually, the expectation for this afternoon is actually to buy the NASDAQ, but I think that there's a chance that NASDAQ may want to tap into the demand zone below the Asian low. So the current Asian low that we have now, NASDAQ might want to go and tap into it before actually going, to the upside. So the S&P 500 right now, the S&P is selling. So that means that there's a chance that the NASDAQ as well might start selling very soon. It's not unusual for NASDAQ to actually do that, to start buying first, I think it's going to. So I do think that the NASDAQ would go in a sell direction first before it goes in a buy direction. Anyway, that's we're going to see later. That we are going to see later. We are going to see. Now stock. So I am expecting. I'm looking to buy the NASDAQ, but from where are we actually going to buy the NASDAQ? That is a question of the day. So there's a chance that the NASDAQ would sell into into the demand zone. So if you do that, if it sell into the demand zone, that will be absolutely beautiful. That will be absolutely beautiful. All right, so since we're expecting to actually buy the NASDAQ today, but let's try and be patient. Either it's going to buy from where we are or it's going to buy from the bottom. I think one of it's going to actually happen. The S&P 500 is selling, so that is, that should not be overlooked. That should not be overlooked. Of course, the NASDAQ can do the opposite direction, which is something that NASDAQ always do. It can do the opposite direction, or it may start buying already, meaning that sooner or later we would eventually start buying the NASDAQ. I don't know if from where we are right now, if buying the NASDAQ does make sense from here. NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. Maybe we'll actually be able to buy from where NASDAQ is right now. I think so. Maybe. Just maybe. Maybe we will be able to buy from there. I'm thinking to actually give it a shot and see. I want to give it a shot and see. If the NASDAQ is going to buy, it would be nice if it start buying from where we are now. And then we can potentially make money. The US 30 is selling like crazy. So if US 30 is selling, US 30 selling is not a good signal for us right now. Then the S&P 500, let's see. Let's see what the S&P is doing. If oil is going up, that means that it's going to be going down. Whoa. The market just froze just now. The price feed just froze, guys. It froze, it froze, it froze, it froze. The market just froze. The NASDAQ just froze, actually. I don't know what's going on. What's going on with the NASDAQ? Alright, guys, give me a moment. I'm gonna